this afternoon, we are still seeing snowflakes fly by our Storm Team Skycam here in Fargo. The clouds still hanging around, and anywhere where we do have those clouds, that's where we'll see that potential for some of that light snow to stick around. And it should be not much of a factor, though visibility down in a couple of places. So we'll talk about that. We also want to talk about the cold. We've really struggled to warm up at all here today. We are looking at temperatures that are into the teens and 20s, just like we saw this morning. It's only 15 degrees in Devil's Lake. A lot of us along the Red River and east into the low to mid 20s right now. And as we take a look at our wind chills, it's cold. We're only at 1 degree in Devil's Lake. It feels like 2 in the Jamestown area, 10 in Fargo, and it feels like 8 in Grand Forks. So a cold one here as we head into the afternoon hours. Another one to bundle up and be ready for that wind that's coming in out of the northwest. This is what's keeping us down. It's driving in that colder air, not allowing us to warm up at all, with winds gusting into the 20s for just about every location and steady in the teens here throughout the valley. And your visibility reports down just a little bit in some areas where we've got some of that snow. We're looking at 2.5 miles in Fosston and in Detroit Lakes, and then back over into the Cheyenne River Valley and the James River Valley. We're looking at visibility reports coming in that 2 to 5-mile range in some of those locations. So here's a look at the radar. I mentioned this earlier. The radar only seeing out into the Grand Forks area. You can see it almost as like a circle, which is a sign that the radar beam's not making it much further. We're not getting returns from other areas, though it's likely snowing in some of those spots. We are seeing some light snow affecting us here throughout the valley, especially again in those areas with thicker cloud cover. You can see, though, there are pockets of clearing. We've got some clear skies down toward Ellendale, up toward Jamestown. You might see some sun or some blue sky peeking through, and gradually this area of clearing should be moving eastward here as we head into later parts of the morning or afternoon now rather. So again, keeping an eye on that radar, and we're going to continue to see some spotty areas of light snow. So here's a look at our hour by hour planner. Expect to have some cloud cover hanging around a little while longer here this afternoon. Eventually it diminishes. We see more areas of some sunshine before that sun sets at 5 o'clock tonight. And temperatures, again, low 20s to some upper 20s. That's it. It's going to be a cold one with winds gusting into the teens and eventually winding down into the late night hours. But this afternoon, continued breeze bringing us some colder wind chills out there. Now ahead for tonight, eventually we quiet things down for a time. But as we head into tomorrow, we'll start off with some partly to mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the teens, and then we'll see more chances for some snow showers popping up, especially as we head into the afternoon hours. And we stay on the cold side too here for your Thursday. So you can see these snow showers, daytime driven snow showers popping up as we head into what would be expected to be the warmest time of the day, though it's still going to be quite cool. Temperatures well below freezing for your day on Thursday, and gradually those will diminish as we head into the evening hours on Thursday night. Friday a break, and then we see more chances for snow this weekend and just cold. Our temperatures below freezing throughout the next 7 days. So this first half of November kind of shaping up to be cold again, just like the first half of October was. So keep that in mind. We're going to have some cold days ahead.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.